In this video, we will talk about how to implement natural language processing, NLP, in your projects, so make sure to watch the full video. Natural language processing, NLP, is a powerful technology that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. As businesses increasingly rely on data-driven insights, implementing NLP can enhance user interactions, automate processes, and unlock valuable information hidden in text. This introduction to NLP will guide you through the essential concepts and practical steps necessary for successful implementation. From identifying use cases and gathering data to building models and deploying solutions, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to leverage NLP effectively in your projects, ultimately transforming the way your organization communicates and processes information. 1. Understanding natural language processing. Key concepts and applications. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. In this section, we will explore fundamental concepts of NLP, such as tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, and named entity recognition. We'll discuss various applications of NLP, including sentiment analysis, chatbots, machine translation, and text summarization. By understanding these key concepts and applications, you will gain insight into how NLP can transform your projects and enable more meaningful interactions between machines and humans. 2. Identifying use cases for NLP in your projects. Identifying the right use cases for NLP is crucial for maximizing its impact in your projects. This section will guide you in recognizing opportunities where NLP can enhance user experience, streamline processes, or extract valuable insights from text data. We'll explore specific scenarios, such as customer support automation, content personalization, and social media monitoring. By analyzing your project's goals and requirements, you can prioritize NLP use cases that align with your objectives and deliver tangible benefits, ultimately driving innovation and efficiency within your organization. 3. Gathering and preparing text data for NLP. The quality of your NLP models heavily relies on the data used for training and evaluation. In this section, we will discuss strategies for gathering relevant text data from various sources, including web scraping, APIs, and public datasets. We'll also cover essential data preparation steps, such as data cleaning, normalization, and formatting, to ensure that your dataset is suitable for analysis. Additionally, we'll highlight the importance of addressing issues like data imbalance and removing irrelevant information, as these factors can significantly affect the performance of your NLP models. 4. Choosing the right NLP frameworks and libraries. With numerous NLP frameworks and libraries available, selecting the right tools is essential for your project's success. This section will provide an overview of popular NLP libraries, such as NLTK, spaCy, and Hugging Faces transformers, highlighting their features, strengths, and weaknesses. We'll discuss considerations for choosing the most appropriate framework based on your project requirements, programming language preferences, and the specific NLP tasks you intend to perform. By understanding the capabilities of different tools, you can make informed decisions that streamline your development process and enhance model performance. 5. Building your first NLP model. A step-by-step guide. Building an NLP model can seem daunting, but with a structured approach, it becomes manageable and rewarding. In this section, we will provide a step-by-step guide to constructing your first NLP model, starting from data collection and pre-processing to feature extraction and model training. We'll cover various modeling techniques, including traditional methods like bag of words and TF-IDF, as well as more advanced approaches like neural networks and deep learning architectures. By following this guide, you will gain practical experience in building an NLP model and learn how to apply these techniques in your projects. 6. Enhancing NLP models with pre-trained models and transfer learning. Leveraging pre-trained models and transfer learning can significantly boost the performance of your NLP projects, especially when working with limited data. This section will explain the concept of transfer learning and how it applies to NLP. We'll explore popular pre-trained models, such as BERT, GPT, and Elmo, and demonstrate how to fine-tune them for specific tasks. By utilizing these advanced models, you can achieve higher accuracy and faster results, allowing you to focus on developing innovative solutions rather than starting from scratch. 7. Evaluating and fine-tuning NLP model performance. Evaluating the performance of your NLP models is crucial for ensuring they meet the desired objectives and provide accurate predictions. In this section, we will discuss various evaluation metrics specific to NLP tasks, such as precision, recall, F1 score, and perplexity. We'll cover techniques for fine-tuning your models, including hyperparameter optimization and cross-validation, to enhance their accuracy and robustness. By systematically evaluating and refining your NLP models, you can ensure they are well equipped to handle real-world data and deliver reliable insights. 8. Integrating NLP into your existing applications. Once your NLP model is developed and optimized, the next step is integrating it into your existing applications or workflows. This section will cover strategies for embedding NLP capabilities into web applications, chatbots, and enterprise systems. We'll discuss API design, data pipelines, and user interface considerations to ensure a seamless integration process. By effectively incorporating NLP into your applications, you can enhance user experience, automate processes, and unlock new functionalities that improve overall efficiency and engagement. 9. Best practices for deploying NLP solutions. Deploying NLP solutions requires careful planning and execution to ensure they function effectively in production environments. In this section, we will outline best practices for deploying your NLP models, including considerations for scalability, security, and monitoring. We'll discuss the importance of version control, continuous integration, and deployment pipelines to maintain model performance over time. Additionally, we'll cover strategies for gathering user feedback and monitoring model performance in real time, allowing you to make necessary adjustments and improvements based on user interactions and data changes. 10. Future trends in natural language processing. The field of natural language processing is continuously evolving, driven by advancements in technology and research. In this section, we will explore emerging trends in NLP, such as the growing importance of explainability, the use of unsupervised learning techniques, and the integration of multimodal data, text, images, and audio. We'll discuss the implications of these trends for developers and organizations, emphasizing the need to stay updated with the latest research and tools in NLP. By understanding the future landscape of NLP, you can position yourself and your projects for success in an increasingly data-driven world. In conclusion, implementing natural language processing, NLP, in your projects opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing communication, automating tasks, and deriving valuable insights from textual data. By understanding the fundamental concepts of NLP and following a structured approach, from identifying use cases to gathering data and building robust models, you can effectively harness the power of this technology. As you integrate NLP into your applications, adopting best practices for deployment and monitoring will ensure sustained performance and user satisfaction. Staying abreast of emerging trends will also keep your projects relevant and innovative in a rapidly evolving landscape. Ultimately, mastering NLP not only enhances the functionality of your projects but also positions your organization for success in an increasingly data-driven environment, fostering greater efficiency and improved decision-making capabilities. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.